Hi, I'm Harpreet and I'm doing fashion designing.
Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break.
So being in fashion, I know one who wants to join the fashion has a lot of questions. So today we are going to talk to Gaurav Mandal, who has more than 15-year experience in fashion. Hi sir.
Hi Harpreet,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you sir, I'm really good. So I want to ask you some quick questions about fashion
Yeah,
so
please
that people can know about the fashion industry. So my first question is, how do you think a student can improve their fashion knowledge?
Very good question, Harpreet. We have to understand that fashion has a very different kind of jargon. The terminologies, the terms that are found in fashion, we first have to research where all we would find those terms. Obviously, the first bet would be a fashion magazine. So I would always suggest or advise fashion students to subscribe to a fashion magazine and then read it to first increase your content. That what are different garments called, what are the correct pronunciation of them, what is the correct term for them. So that is to increase your content about fashion terminology. Then you start reading it loudly. So that is the second way where you will condition your speaking skills. Third would be if you go to your own wardrobe and then you start looking at different clothes. Start describing them in a fashion way. So if you're wearing an oversized shirt with a pleated cuffed shirt with a lace bow tie. So you start with your own wardrobe. You start getting that what every top and bottom is called, because usually what I get to know is people just say that okay, this is a top, but that top, there are 20 different kinds of tops, so there are different categories for those tops. So there is a blouse, it's a top, or it's a raglan sleeve top. So you start identifying your own wardrobe and you start talking that thing up. So there are a lot of apps, fashion apps like Vogue.
Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to the Vogue app. Every day when you open the app, you will find 8 new stories selected just for you. You can also see all our latest stories on fashion, on beauty, on living, and of course on culture.
Where they would show a collection and they will also write down the concept of the designer. Where then you start understanding that okay, if you have a concept, how do you deliver it to people? And by reading lot of concepts, you get that okay, this is how a paragraph is formed. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is you start writing your own concepts, put the new learned fashion terms in those concepts, and you start speaking it up. Because I think at the end of the day, you should know about the content, and then on top of it, there should be a lot of practice. Practice. So that is how you can learn fashion language.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.